Welcome to our summary of Tim Ferriss's groundbreaking book, The 4-Hour Workweek. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of a life of freedom and adventure, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Ferriss introduces us to the concept of the new rich, people who abandon the deferred life plan and create luxurious lifestyles in the present. They use time and mobility to their advantage, rather than wealth. Ferriss structures the book around the DEAL framework: definition, elimination, automation, and liberation. These principles guide you to redesign your life for more freedom and less work. In the definition stage, Ferriss urges us to define what we truly want. It's not about endless wealth, but specific, measurable goals. He also suggests fear setting to identify and address our fears head-on. Elimination is all about cutting out the clutter. Ferriss promotes the 80-20 principle, focusing on the 20% of activities that yield 80% of the results. It's about being effective, not just efficient. In the automation phase, Ferriss discusses creating systems that earn money with minimal input from you. He suggests outsourcing and leveraging virtual assistants, as well as building online businesses that generate passive income. Liberation is about achieving mobility. Ferriss explains how to negotiate remote work arrangements or fully transition to location-independent work, allowing you to live and work anywhere in the world. Throughout the book, Ferriss includes inspiring case studies of people who have successfully implemented these principles. These stories show that a 4-hour workweek is not just a dream, but an achievable reality. Ferriss doesn't just give theory, he provides practical tools and tips. From time management apps to outsourcing platforms, he equips you with resources to streamline your work and maximize your freedom. Ultimately, the 4-hour workweek is about embracing a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. It's about working smarter, not harder, and designing a life that lets you enjoy your passions and adventures. You're ready to break free from the conventional workweek and live life on your own terms? Tim Ferriss's The 4-Hour Workweek is your guide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing book summaries.